Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, my dear students, and welcome to our science class. Today we'll have our first lesson in the semester, so let's see what is it about. As you can see in this first slide, there are two groups, and I put things in each group. Let's see group 1. What do you see in group 1? A tree, a boy, a dog with its babies, and a butterfly. Now what about group 2? What do you see in group 2? A car, an umbrella, a bag, and a cap or a hat, right? So I put these things in two groups based on what? Look at group 1. Look at things in group 1. Tree, boy, dogs, and butterfly. What do they have in common? What traits do they have? So I put them in one group. Excellent. These things are alive. They are alive. So these are living things. What about group 2? Car, umbrella, bag, and a cap. These things are not alive. These are non-living things. So this is our lesson for today. It's about living and non-living things. So let's get started. What are living things? What traits do they have? What do they need? So I can call them living things. Look at this picture. It's a picture for a dog, and this dog it gets bigger, it develops, right? That means it grows. What about this plant here? This plant is getting bigger too, and it develops. This baby also getting bigger. It develops. So all living things, they are alive and they can grow. That means they get bigger, they develop. Let's take you for an example. You started your life as a baby, then as a toddler, you continue to grow into a teenager, then you're going to become an adult, so you can marry and make your own family, start your own family, and then inshallah بعد عمر طويل you'll become an old man, an elderly, right? So all living things, animals, plants, human beings, they are alive and they can grow. What else they can do? What else they can do? Look at this picture here. This is a leopard or a cheetah, and it's running. It moves. In this picture here, you can see the penguin mother with its babies. With its babies, they can move, and also animals can make babies. This lioness with its baby too. Plants also can make new plants of the same kind. So living things, humans, animals, plants, they are alive, they can move, and they can grow and reproduce. So they are alive, they can grow, they can move, and reproduce. Reproduce means they can make new babies or new plants. Living things also, like humans, we need food. Look at this picture. We need food, water. What else we need? What else do we need? We need air to breathe. Air to breathe. So all living things, not only humans, all living things, animals, plants too, they need food, water and air. Look at plants here. This plant needs water too. This rabbit needs food, and also they need air to breathe. So again, living things like humans, animals, and plants, they can grow, they can move, and they can reproduce. They also need food, water, water, and air to breathe in order to grow and survive. Now, what are non-living things? Let's talk about the other side. What are non-living things? Non-living things like rocks, toys, cars, and books. Now ask yourself these questions. Do rocks grow? Do they need water? Do they need food? Do they eat? Do they need air to breathe? Can they move by their own or by themselves? No. So they are non-living things. They can't also reproduce. So non-living things are not alive. They don't grow or need food. They don't move on their own and cannot reproduce. Examples, we have rocks, toys, cars, books, the clothes you are wearing, the chair you are sitting on. Water is not a living thing, a non-living thing. The desk is a non-living thing. Now this is a comparison between living and non-living things. Living things can grow, they need food, water, and air, and they can reproduce. Non-living things, they don't grow, they don't need food, water, or air, and they don't reproduce. Now, on my final slide, I have this activity. I need you to classify these things you see into living and non-living things. Let's start with this turtle here. Can it move? Or does it move? Does it grow? Does it reproduce? Yes, of course. So it is a living thing. What about this table lamp? Does it need water to drink or air to breathe? Does it move by itself or on his own or on its own? No. So it's a non-living thing. What about these plants? Plants are living things. What about this cow? Also, animals are living things. This racket, does it grow? Does it move? Does it reproduce? No. So it's a non-living thing. What about this crocodile? It's an animal, so it's a living thing. The car is a non-living thing. This fly, it's an insect, so it's an animal. It needs water, air, and food. And it moves, it reproduces, yes, and it grows. So it is a living thing. This thing we use to water plants, and it's a non-living thing. This bird is a living thing. This cup of tea or cup of coffee, it's a non-living thing. What about this sharpener here? Does it move by its own? Does it need water or food or air to breathe? No. So it's a non-living thing. Okay, that's it for today. Let's go to the book. I have this book right here. This investigation we did in the class last week. Now, this picture in your book, you can see living and non-living things. Living things, the elephants, they are animals. Humans and plants, they are living things. Non-living things are rocks, water, and maybe some soil here or there. Okay, rocks, water, they are non-living things. Now, to the activity, circle the non-living things in the pictures. Take each group at a time, okay? Non-living things. I want you to circle the non-living things. So you're going to circle the box and the box male. In this group, you're going to circle the boat. Yes, because dolphins, turtles are living things. This ladybug and this fish and this fan. Where's the non-living thing? You're going to circle the fan. What about this group here? This is a butterfly, buildings, and ice cream. The living thing is the butterfly, but I need you to circle the non-living things. So you're going to circle the buildings and the ice cream. Now, in this exercise here, classify into living and non-living things, cut and paste, get the stickers from the last page. You'll see in your book that you have these stickers on the last page, activity page 19. So you're gonna take these things and paste them on the right spot, on the right place. If it's a living thing, you're gonna put it here. If it's a non-living thing, you're gonna put it here. Let's see. The bird, the ladybug are living things. The chair and the toy are non-living things. So you're gonna stick them in here, in this column. Well, that's it for today. يعطيكم ألف عافية, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.